Sorry, I forgot to mention. Surprisingly, I live with a neighborhood filled with vultures and cannibals. In the process of getting extortion from my employers, my projects, they steered the personal life and ruined my personal life. Being operated by Ramalinga Reddy. I knew this quite some time back, long back when things used to happen, but I'm helpless. The head of the family, the railway engine is going off-road. I'm just recalling my memories and giving you all the updates. Just watch my facial muscles to understand what kind of suppression I've had in terms of these frustrating issues. Yesterday, they almost killed me. I cannot stay away. I'm coming back home. There's no law in India for outlaw. In fact, if I have to be precise and straightforward and more assertive, you people have to give all the wealth back to me, which you snatched from me. Big Basket, Swiggy, Rapido, Dunzo, all that you snatched from me. I can make a list. Neighborhood is not about sharing and caring, it's about snatching and tell me what? You know what? It's okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye.